Hey there, cool kids! Welcome to our tasty adventure all about ice cream and its 20 best flavors. Are you ready to dive into a world of creamy, dreamy deliciousness? Let's go! Ice cream is like magic in a cone. It starts with fresh ingredients like milk, cream, and sugar. Then, it's mixed together and frozen until it becomes the creamy treat we all love. Vanilla. Let's kick things off with a classic favorite, vanilla. It's smooth, it's creamy, and it's oh so vanilla. Why? Plus, you can add yummy toppings like chocolate syrup or sprinkles to make it even more awesome. Coca-Cola. Next up, we've got chocolate. It's rich, it's decadent, and it's perfect for all you chocolate lovers out there. Whether it's in a cone or a cup, chocolate ice cream is always a winner. Strawberry. Now, let's get fruity with some strawberry ice cream. It's like a burst of berry goodness in every bite. Plus, it's the perfect way to cool off on a hot summer day. Cookies and cream. Woes ready for a cookie-tastic treat? Cookies and cream ice cream is where it's at. With yummy chunks of cookies mixed in, every spoonful is a delicious adventure. Mint chocolate chip. Get ready to chill out with some mint chocolate chip ice cream. It's minty, it's chocolatey, and it's totally refreshing. Plus, those chocolate chips are the perfect crunch. Rocky Road. Hold on to your hats, because things are about to get rocky. Rocky Road ice cream is packed with chocolate, marshmallows, and nuts. It's like a flavor explosion in your mouth. Birthday cake. Let's celebrate with some birthday cake ice cream. It's like a party in every scoop. With swirls of frosting and sprinkles galore, every day feels like your birthday. Cotton candy. Step right up and try some cotton candy ice cream. It's like a trip to the carnival with every bite. Sweet, fluffy, and oh so delicious. Peanut butter cup. Calling all peanut butter fans. Peanut butter cup ice cream is here to satisfy your cravings. It's creamy, it's peanutty, and it's absolutely irresistible. Bubblegum. Get ready to blow some bubbles with bubblegum ice cream. It's bright, it's colorful, and it's bursting with bubblegum flavor. Just make sure not to swallow your gum. Coconut. Escape to the tropics with some coconut ice cream. It's creamy, it's coconutty, and it's like a vacation in a cone. Close your eyes and imagine you're on a sunny beach. Salted caramel. Indulge your taste buds with some salted caramel ice cream. It's the perfect balance of sweet and salty. Plus, that caramel swirl is simply divine. Pistachio. Feeling nutty? Then pistachio ice cream is the way to go. It's creamy, it's nutty, and it's oh so delicious. Plus, those little green bits make it extra fun. Red velvet. Get ready to fall in love with some red velvet ice cream. It's rich, it's velvety, and it's oh so decadent. Plus, that deep red color is simply stunning.
Lemon sorbet. Cool off with some lemon sorbet. It's light, it's refreshing, and it's bursting with citrus flavor. Perfect for those hot summer days when you need a little pick-me-up. Maple bacon. Yes, you heard that right, maple bacon ice cream. It's sweet, it's savory, and it's unlike anything you've ever tasted before. Trust us, it's a flavor adventure you won't soon forget. Tiramisu. Transport yourself to Italy with some tiramisu ice cream. It's creamy, it's coffee infused, and it's simply divine. Close your eyes and imagine you're sitting in a cozy in Rome. Pumpkin spice. Get into the fall spirit with some pumpkin spice ice cream. It's like a pumpkin pie in every scoop. Plus, those warm spices will make you feel all cozy inside. Blueberry cheesecake. Indulge your sweet tooth with some blueberry cheesecake ice cream. It's creamy, it's fruity, and it's downright decadent. Plus, those chunks of cheesecake are simply irresistible. Neapolitan. Last but not least, we've got Neapolitan ice cream. It's the best of all worlds with chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry all in one delicious package. Perfect for when you just can't decide. And there you have it, kids, 20 of the best ice cream flavors to satisfy your sweet tooth. Which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this tasty adventure, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.